Encountered an OMX music file from older audio software and need to play it back? This is a music format associated with the OMNI music creation system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these OMNI music files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for OMX problems. See below for my top choice. An OMX file is a legacy music format created by OMNI, a music software for the Atari ST computer system popular in the 1980s. Users searching for this are typically trying to play or convert old music compositions, often related to the retro computing or chiptune music scenes, to enjoy on modern systems. The OMX format is a proprietary binary file designed to store musical note data, instrument definitions, and sequencing information for the Yamaha YM2149 sound chip in the Atari ST. Its structure is highly optimized for the low memory and processing power of that era, enabling complex compositions on vintage hardware. The recommended application from Videoland Project for handling OMX is unequivocally VLC Media Player. Windows cannot verify the file's internal manifest, preventing safe decompression. Windows plays the audio, but advanced manipulation like equalization or restoration requires proper software. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your OMX file and choose Open With. Test with VLC Media Player first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If you still cannot open your OMX file, that is okay. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, playing in OMNI software. Install the OMNI music application designed to play OMX files for native compatibility. The original software handles all proprietary format features, including correct instrument samples and arrangement playback. Check the software publisher's website or community archives for legitimate downloads of legacy OMNI music applications still available for use. Next, trying various developers' players. Attempt opening OMX files in VLC Media Player or Foobar 2000, which support many obscure audio formats, through their extensive codec libraries. Right-click the file and select Open with trying each player. If the OMX uses a known underlying format like MIDI or compressed audio, these universal players may successfully play the content. Finally, format identification. Use file identification utilities like TRID or HXD hex editor to inspect OMX file headers and identify the underlying format. The first few bytes often reveal whether the file uses a known container like RIF MIDI or a custom format. This helps determine appropriate playback or conversion tools when documentation is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.